So Steve and Londa, Jarl Kubat here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 plus communities. I'm out here in the 45, 55 plus community of Sunland Springs Village in East Mesa. Beautiful community. I'm in this section of townhomes. There's several different sections of these townhomes, or different phases I should say, throughout the community. But this section here, there's about 100 units back in here, and this was built in 2003. It sits on the south side of the street facing north in the front. These are Gemini twin homes, which means they're side by side with a garage in the middle. Both units are an end unit here. Really nice unit, built in 2003, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 9-foot ceilings, 1,371 square feet. You bought it with everything in it. I think this surprised all of us here a little bit. We didn't think we were going to be on this fast of a timeline after Londa looked at it last week, just to kind of see what was out here. But anyways, I think we did really well. And no, Steve, this is not an April Fool's joke. But anyways, you got a nice front patio. Again, as we walk through the place, you're going to see everything on it. Everything that's in the video and extra pictures that I took that I'll send you as well. Everything is included as you see it, okay? So hang on to your eyeballs. We're going to give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video. This is looking up the street to the east. These are the units straight across the street from you. And so behind these units, they're on Baseline Road here. They back up to that, but they're a ways off of it. And so you don't hear much in front of this place, hardly any. And this is looking down the street to the west. The HOA just repainted these exteriors not too long ago. So the HOA takes care of everything on the outside, the paint, the trimming of the bushes, treating for pests, all of that stuff. But they don't do the roof. But this homeowner had this roof done in 2022. Brand new underlayment under it. Again, when we have the home inspector out here towards the end of the week or the beginning of the next, he'll confirm the underlayment and whether or not they did a good job, and he'll get in the attic to make sure there was no leaks. I didn't see any signs of that at all. But again, the homeowner had already done this, and everything on the exterior here is maintained. Here's your air conditioner. It is original, so it's about 22 years old, I believe it is. And again, I think it'll cost you about $10,000 to replace that. You're going to end up doing it sometime in the near future. But I think you got it at a decent price, so not too much to worry about. So this is right behind you. A nice wide space between you and the neighbors behind you. This is looking to the east again. And again, this unit is straight across the street, straight across the grass from you. And then this is looking to the west. So this is looking straight at the back. And again, that patio faces south, so you get lots of nice sun in there. That big window there, that is looking straight into the living room. And to the right here, that is your neighbors. Stepping just inside the front door. When we first come into the door here, immediately to the right, that is the linen closet for the guest bath. We turn the corner, our guest bath is over there to the left, and the guest bedroom up towards the front here is to the right. Carpet is pretty good shape. I think with the cleaning, freshen it up here a little bit. I think you're going to do a little thinning out of some of the stuff in the garage and maybe inside here, but other than that, the place looks really nice. The paint looks good on the walls. And again, this is a queen size bed, and this is in the front of the home. Still in that guest bedroom, you got a double closet there, and the guest bath is straight across the hallway. So across the hallway from the guest bedroom is the laundry room. Got a sink in here, and again, I took pictures of everything that's in the cupboards. And then the door going into the garage, you got a wash sink there, a little step stool. You have quite a few things in the garage here. I think you probably get rid of a few things. There's lots of things in the cabinets. Little vacuum cleaner up towards the left there in front of the cabinets. They did replace the hot water heater recently. There's your water softener. They got an extra refrigerator, freezer, kind of an apartment size in the garage here. I don't know if you're really going to need that. And you might get rid of some of these. Here's your ladders. Again, you bought everything here. So again, walking past the hallway to the guest bedroom, you got a coat closet there to your right with a vacuum cleaner and everything in it, laundry room to your left, and then stepping straight ahead here in to the great room area. Tabletop has a few blemishes on it. Again, I took some pictures. Otherwise, the furniture all looks pretty good shape. It's comfortable. I left these blinds closed for the video, but lots of natural light because this faces south, so there's lots of natural light in here. Corian countertops, cabinets in the kitchen are all really good shape. You've got a pantry to the right of the refrigerator there. Again, just giving you another view of this living room. So we're going to reach out to the home inspector after I send you this video. We'll schedule a home and termite inspection. He'll test the AC. He'll get in the attic and check to see if there was any leaks previous to replacing that roof. Doesn't appear that there was any patching or any painting over anything, at least from what I can see. I think the previous owners or the current owners were being proactive. Got a nice breakfast bar. There's room for a couple of more stools there. Looking into the primary bedroom, king-size bed. Again, carpet is pretty good shape. I think just maybe a cleaning. Not much tracking there, but that'll kind of freshen things up a little bit. I think they've been gone for a while. And again, just standing in the primary bedroom, there's a pocket door that closes off the primary bath. And that's the hallway coming in from the great room area. And then here we are. So Steve, both places, you'd asked me this morning, yes, there are a few water blemishes on these cabinets. It looks like a little elbow grease would clean that up pretty decent. Double sinks, countertop is good shape. You've got medicine cabinets on both ends. The shower there's a private toilet room and the shower is in there. Again, I took pictures of it. Hard to get in off the video camera. There is carpet in this. It wouldn't take much to finish this off. Maybe just go ahead and put some luxury vinyl in this primary bath. Nothing you'd have to do right away though. And then you've got a walk-in closet there to the left. Standing in that private toilet room, looking through the primary bath, out into the bedroom. Steve and Londa, thank you very much for staying in touch over the years, and I think you'll be very happy with this one for yourselves. Finally getting one for yourselves, right, Londa? Just teasing. Anyways, very nice place. Very nice community. Steve, you're only about 10 miles from where the trails begin with your ATVs. And I would say you're about a half-mile walk to one of the fitness centers. You got two different ones out here with outdoor lap pools, and they're heated all winter long. You got lots of pickleball courts, shuffleboard, tennis, wood shop, ceramics, sewing, stained glass, lapidary, just about everything you can think of.